I mean, I've always wanted to be a superhero. That's part of the reason why I stand so close to the microwave. It's also one of my dreams to actually afford more than one ply toilet paper so my finger doesn't slip through. Like that one time. Ah, jeez. But, yeah. Money's nice.
Money, graphing calculator. 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 Money.
Caucasian bars.
What just happened?
I can't afford a full track, let alone tinfoil. I will only stop until I see a stop sign. My dog is scared of the dishwasher and butterflies. I make so many small purchases, that's why I got so many dimes. Every assignment I've ever done was on time. Bars. Without a ruler, I can't make a straight line. I sound like a kid on Xbox Live. It's unfortunate that I'm not musically inclined. Dr. Seuss probably can't even prescribe. On the bench is where I thrive. Don't be pissed that without your phone you can't tell the time. I'm a non-metal that shines. I can carry all the groceries in at once. Go to church and say crud, hit your shin with a razor scooter and stuff. Now that I'm older, I find it more difficult to sit crisscross. I can run with scissors in my hand without even getting caught. Homie, I stumped through the hallway with a free haircut.
Wow, you're actually really bad.
She cuts her toenails, then she makes me food. I'm Caucasian like glue and I got shit to do. The type of kid to bring sunscreen everywhere like it's for everyday use. And I heard his foot doesn't fall asleep, and that he never paid his library late fee. But I guess that's the legend. He's half loser, half amazing.
Like lyrical lactation.
Nice job, man.